Imagine waking up on a Monday with a huge to-do list. You answer emails, try to write a report, remember to schedule a meeting, and before you know it, the day is over and almost nothing has been accomplished. Have you ever been there? Now imagine you had an invisible assistant, ready to organize your schedule, write messages for you, and even bring you creative ideas in seconds. This assistant exists, and its name is ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you how to use this tool to transform your daily productivity. And stay until the end, because I'll share practical prompts you can use today. The truth is, most of us waste hours on repetitive tasks. Time-consuming emails, reports that never get done, and a to-do list that just keeps growing. The good news is that artificial intelligence can already alleviate much of this burden. And I'll show you, step by step, how ChatGPT can organize your day, save you time, and free your mind for what really matters. Let's start with organization. Let's say you have 4 main tasks: responding to emails, writing a report, attending a team meeting, and, of course, taking care of your health by going to the gym. If you simply type into ChatGPT, organize my Monday tasks by priority: email replies, report writing, team meeting, gym. It will create a complete schedule for you, dividing it into time blocks and even suggesting strategic breaks. Instead of you deciding what to do first, ChatGPT provides a logical and efficient order. This takes the burden off the decision and helps you start the day focused. Now, let's talk about communication. How many times have you been stuck writing a professional email? With ChatGPT, just type something like, "Write a polite follow-up email to a client asking about project feedback." And in seconds, you have a clear, professional message ready to send. And it's not just email. It can summarize articles, transform technical text into plain language, or even automatically review grammar. If you spend 40 minutes a day on emails and texts, ChatGPT can cut that in half. And it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT is also an excellent idea generator. Need creative titles for a report? Quick meal suggestions for the week?
Or even a study plan in 30-minute chunks. It solves all of this in seconds. It's like having a mental shortcut. Instead of thinking alone, you ask the question and get a list of options to choose from. Ultimately, ChatGPT isn't just a tool. It's like having an assistant that never tires, never forgets, and always has an answer. The difference is that this assistant fits on your computer or phone and is available 24/7. And what does this mean in practice? More free time for you to focus on your family, your hobbies, or even the simple pleasure of relaxing. If this video helped, please like it and share it with that person who always says they're short on time. And subscribe to the channel, because in future videos, I'll show you even more practical ways to use AI in your daily life.